Hello, dear students. I welcome you all in the lecture of software engineering. This is Rajesh Kumar Tripathi, Assistant Professor at the Department of Computer Engineering and Applications, JL University, Mathura. In the continuation of previous lecture of software project planning, I am going to discuss about very important part of the software project planning, that is cost estimation. Every industry is interested to finish their projects on time and within the budget. So if you want to finish the software development within the budget, it is very important to estimate the cost before starting the development of the software. So now we can see the relative cost of software phases. In the previous lectures, you have listened about the different software models. So these software development models are used for the software development, and these models have the different phases. As you know, the effort and duration plays an important role in the cost estimation of any project. So we can see this is a pie chart in which we have the relative cost of each and every phase. If we start from requirements, it has low cost on the basis of its effort and duration. Then analysis increases its cost, then design, then coding, testing, integration and maintenance. You are seeing that most of the cost is charged for the maintenance purpose. So here we are seeing that every model have different phases, and every phase requires some effort and time duration. So these phases are important in each and every software development. So in the cost estimation process, we will learn the 5 different models. So in this lecture, I will discuss the initial 2 models, which will provide you the cost in terms of effort and duration. So if we talk about the cost estimation models, there are 2 basic models, the static single variable models and static multivariable models. The first model was proposed by Software Engineering Laboratory at University of Maryland, and second was proposed by the Walston and Felix at IBM. Now if we talk about the first one, what was the basic meaning of the single variable models? Here the meaning of single variable is the computation of cost in terms of time and effort. What is the dependency? There is size is considered only for providing the formula for effort and duration estimation. So this is the single variable, only we are focusing on the size, and on the basis of size, Software Engineering Laboratory provided the formula where they propose the constant value of A and V. So if we talk about the simple formula, this is the generalized formula C equal to A dot L to power B, where A and B are the constants which will be estimated, which will be computed by the Software Engineering Laboratory as well as the IBM to provide the effort and duration estimation. L is representing to the number of lines of code, and it will be always considered in 1000 lines of code. Now C refers to cost in terms of effort, and C refers to cost in terms of duration. So if we go, the first one, Software Engineering Laboratory, who developed the SEI model, which is used to estimate the effort and duration. So this provided the 2 formulas. E equal to, it refers to effort here, 1.4 L to power 0.93, which will be always measured in person month, and D refers to duration, that will 4.6 L to power 0.26 will be measured in months. Now there is another formula provided by the software engineering laboratory, that is the DOC equal to 30.4 L to power 0.90. That is the number of pages you can also find. So now we talk about the second one, static multivariable models. What was the dependency here? So whatever the formula of effort and duration was proposed by Woolston Felix at the IBM, they considered not the single parameter size only, they considered different multiple parameters. So we can see there may be memory, there may be the changes required by the customer, there may be the methods that we are going to use, there may be the user participation, and different 29 variables were used for proposing the formula of effort and duration. So in this way, the same general formula was modified with the new value of A and B by considering the multiple variables. Now we talk about the Woolston and Felix, who developed at IBM the two formula for effort and duration. We can see E equal to 5.2 L to power 0.91 effort in person month, and second the duration 4.1 L to power 0.36 duration in months. Now you should remember, when you are going to compute the E and D, you are dependent on L, and L is the 1000 lines of code. So whenever you are computing the lines of code in normal lines of code, you have to convert it into 1000 lines of code by dividing 1000. So now we have question, so that we can perform the comparison between both the models. We have one simple question. We can compare the WF model proposed by IBM and SEL model proposed by Software Engineering Laboratory. In this question we are having the effort, which is 8 person years of effort, and by using this effort we have to compute the 4 different things that is given to you. Number of lines of source code you have to compute, the second duration of the development, then third productivity, and fourth is the average manual. So one by one we will compute. So first we are taking number of lines of source code. Now you have seen there is no formula directly to compute the number of lines of source code. So what we will do, we have the formula effort equal to AL to power B. So if we divide E by A, then it will be E divided by A equal to L to power B, and when you will bring B in other side, then it will be L equal to E divided by A to power 1 by B. So this formula we will use for computing the number of lines of code. So what is given, we require A and B are already given as a formula of SEL and WF, but E is, we have to convert into person month. So E is given in 8 person year, so multiply by 12 we will get 96 person months. So this effort can be used in the formula of SEL as well as the WF. Now first we are going to find the solution of the first method, SEL. Then what will be 96 divided by a constant that was proposed by SEL, then 2 power 1 by B, and B constant 0.93 proposed by the software engineering laboratory, and we get the 94,264 lines of code. Second, we apply the WF. The 96 effort is same, but value of A and B is changed, that was proposed by IBM. So you can put here 96 divided by 5.2 to power 1.1 divided by 0.91, and that will give you 24,632 lines of code. Now second question, we take duration. So directly the duration formula is given for both, and we can take D equal to first one 4.6 L to power 0.26. Now L directly we cannot put. What we have to do, just we will convert it into 1000 lines of code. So the previous answer you have to divide by 1000 and then you will find out the 94.264. So 4.6 into 94.264 to power 0.26, that will give you the 15 months. Secondly, the second formula was Wasserman-Felix proposed by IBM. That is the 4.1 L to power 0.36. So L will be again, that was around 24,000. So that will be divided by 1000. So L will be put here 24.632 to power 0.36 multiplied by 4.1. We will get 13 months. Now this is the second solution. Then third solution, productivity. So how we will compute the productivity? The productivity is simply the number of lines of code divided by the effort. So either you can take the effort in person month or in person year, whatever you want you can take. So first, with the help of productivity SEL model, the number of lines of code that we have generated, 94,264 divided by person year we are taking here. Also you can take 96, you can divide by 96 also. So that will be 11,783 lines of code will be written by a person in years. Then secondly, WF 24,632 divide by 8, that is the person years. So we get 3079 lines of code will be written by a person years. So this is the third solution. And for the last one, we have the average manning. It means you have to compute the average number of person required in every month. So that is the simple formula. What we will have, we have the average manning according to year, 96% month. So how many months we are taking to complete the computed code number of lines, that is 15 month according to SEL. So 96 divided by 15, there will be 6.4 persons. Then for the WF model, 96% month divided by 13 months we were taking here. So that will give you 7.4 persons required. Now on the basis of this these four solutions of the problem, we get that SEL can produce 4 times better result than the IBM proposed formulas for the same manpower and time scale. So now I would like to thank you all for listening this video and keep learning. Again, thank you.